this Hello everyone, welcome to the second episode of Google Map API and Android Studio tutorial series. Today we are going to learn how you can enable your current location and put it to your Google Map API project. And then we are going to fetch the lat-long value of your current location with 1000 millisecond interval. So let's start. So to use the Google Map API to your project, you need some permission. So to set the permissions, go to the manifest file and this. Okay, so in the second write course location and then write internet. Now add on more permission here. So these are the 5 permissions that you need to use Google Map API on your project. Okay, these are the 5 permissions. So now go to the map activities or Java file, and in the on map ready method we are going to enable your current location. So we don't need this, so erase this code and write here mmap dot set my location enable and pass true here and press alt enter and add permission check. Run it. Actually I'm going to run this project on my Android device, so if you don't know how to enable USB debugging, I will put a link on the description below. You can check it from there. So click OK. Press the button in the top right corner, the circle button there, and here you can see your current location. Alright, but make sure here that before your location is on. Alright, so here you can see the current location. So now what we are going to do is we are going to fetch the latitude longitude value of your current location with interval. So here we are going to use the on location changed method. So first write here private marker current location marker. Actually on the marker press alt enter. So now the error is gone. Now write private location last location. Here I'm going to store your latitude longitude value of your last location. Okay, now write double my latitude and my longitude. My latitude is going to store your latitude value and my longitude is going to store the longitude value. So here we are going to use the location manager to get the on location changed method. So write it here and pass it here, pass here location manager, then write get system service and context dot location service, then write location manager dot request location update, and here write location manager dot network provider. Here you can also write GPS provider, but on my device I don't have GPS on my Android device, so I'm going to use network provider. So here I'm passing the 1000 millisecond value. It fetch the latitude longitude value of your current location with 1000 millisecond interval, and pass 0 here. It means with 0 meter distance, and dot location dot location listener, and press alt enter, and then implement methods, click OK. So here we are going to use this on location changed method, and here you can see the location value. This contain the latitude longitude value of your current location. So write my latitude equal to, I'm going to store the latitude value of your location in my latitude, and write my longitude equal to location dot get longitude. Okay, now write last location equal to location. Actually I am storing your last location value on the last location, and then create lat long, and then pass your latitude longitude value to that long. Then create a marker. Here I am creating a marker to put the marker on your current location. And then I'm adding the position here by passing the lat long value. The title I'm giving here deep diving. So when you click on the marker, it will show the title deep diving, and then write a map, add marker, and write here marker option. Now I'm going to store this value to current location marker, and then check if the current location marker value is not null, means if the current location marker have any value, that I'm going to erase it by using the remove method. So write app dot animate camera here. So when your application, this application will going to animate the camera to your current location. Alright, Now right here animate camera and zoom it by 3. Okay, zoom by not 4, write it 4 here. So that's it. Let's run this project. So here you can see your current location. Before running this project, make sure that your current location is on your device. Turn on the location, and here you can see your current location. So this is the end of this episode. In the next episode we are going to learn how you can get any location by giving any address. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.